JOISCOPE Computer Desk with shelves, laptop table with grid drawer, 60 inches, vintage oak finish. Easy assembly. With the easily comprehensible instructions, no great effort is required to set up this table.Our installation can be done by a single person. Sturdy structure, constructed by premium steel and chipboard, the computer desk is absolutely solid, stable, sturdy and durable. BEAUTIGUL DSIGN, we have adopted a new design while ensuring practicality.Industrial style design, suitable for different decoration styles for study, office and small space. Space-saving, characterized by compact design, it is convenient for you to find a place in your home to store it. Because of the storage space, it also greatly helps you to storage your keyboard, mouse or any other stuff. 100% satisfaction, JOISCOPE provides professional before and after customer service. Don't wait any longer and enjoy it right now. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.